I'm Sapna Patel, a medical oncologist who specializes in the treatment of melanoma. I also have a focus in melanoma of the eye and rare melanoma subtypes. I'm chair of the SWOG Melanoma Research Committee, and I also perform clinical trials and laboratory-based translational research. And it's my pleasure to be here with Dr. Michael Atkins.
Yes, the pleasure to be here with you, Sapna. I'm Dr. Michael Atkins. I'm also a medical oncologist. I'm the deputy director of the Georgetown Lombardi Comprehensive Cancer Center in Washington, D.C. I have several decades worth of experience treating patients with melanoma and also doing research in immunotherapy and clinical research in patients with melanoma. I'm also on the Melanoma Research Foundation Board of Directors. Pleased to be here. Sapna, why don't I start with the first question for you?
Sure.
It's a very general question. What are melanoma clinical trials?
Yeah, it's a big question. Clinical trials are typically research studies where we look for patients to participate. And it's voluntary, so they get to help sign up to either test how new treatments are, how effective they are. Maybe they are helping to investigate diagnostic tests, so tests that are used in the workup or diagnosis of melanoma. Maybe it's new procedures, maybe it's a new laboratory type of study or some sort of blood collection looking for screening or surveillance markers, something that we call biomarkers. In the last 15 years, we've gotten excited about clinical trials that are specific to melanoma treatments, and that includes treatments in the neoadjuvant setting. So when the tumor is still in place, it's treatments after the melanoma has been removed, so in the adjuvant setting, and then it's treatments for metastatic disease. And these treatments cover a variety of different mechanisms. So treatments such as targeted therapy that are targeting specific mutations or overactive circuits in a tumor. Immunotherapy, where we use a patient or participant's immune system to try to fight the cancer. And then other modalities, epigenetic modifying agents. Maybe we combine modalities and try to test how they work in melanoma. But clinical trials are really the reason why we've made such advances in the last couple of decades.